Morning students. Previous class start a new chapter, application of derivatives, and solve some problems depend on rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of some quantities depend on this one. 6.1 exercise. Let us see remaining problems. Okay, third problem. Third one. The radius of a circle, the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. When the radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. Radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. First of all, read the question carefully. Compulsory question from this exercise. You will get one 5 marks question from this 6.1 exercise. 6.1 exercise. So this is 5 marks question. Right. Radius of the circle is increasing uniformly at the rate. So radius change in radius. How much change? 3 centimeter per second. Per second, how much change? 3 centimeter. That is nothing but radius is nothing but r. Solution. What is given? Given radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. So this radius changes. Rate of change of radius with respect to time. What is that? Is nothing but given dr by dt 3 centimeter per second. Stop. Next, to find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. So here finding rate of increase in area of the circle we find. Okay. So that is nothing but let it be A is the area of the circle. What is increasing area? Rate of increasing in area is dA by, with respect to time only, this also dA by dt we will find. dA by dt. So first of all, so like this, given data what we will find from this question, that you understand this problem, so very easy. Okay, right. Area of the circle. Area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. Area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. Differentiate. So use derivative. That means differentiate with respect to time. That implies dA by dt. dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square. That implies pi is the constant. Therefore, d by dt of r square. Here r is the variable. That's why we can apply for this derivative. That implies pi into 2r. By chain rule, by using chain rule, already know in previous chapter what is the chain rule. 2r derivative dr by dt, dr by dt. This is equal to pi into 2 into r value, radius of the circle, 10 into dr by dt, 3 centimeter per second. That implies 20, 23 sir, 60 pi. Area means square units. That implies centimeter square per second. Therefore, increasing area, rate of increase in area of circle, increase in area of circle dA by dt is equal to 60 pi centimeter square per second. So like this and so on. Next question, fifth question. A stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into White Lake, into a White Lake, and waves move, and waves, this is waves, and waves move in circles at the speed of at the speed of 5 centimeter per second, 5 centimeter per second, full stop, at the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area, increasing. This is the problem. Okay, first read the question. A stone is dropped into a White Lake, and waves move in circles. So like this one. So this is the White Lake. Dropped stone is dropped. Waves like circular waves. Like that is nothing but a concentric circles. Waves moves like this one, like this. And waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the speed, how much speed? That radius also changes from how much per second is 5 centimeter. At the instant, when then the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. Starting at the instant, the radius of the circular wave is how much? 8 centimeter. That implies, first of all, write given data. Therefore, the radius of the circle at the instant, radius of the circle r is equal to, so radius of circle r is equal to 8 centimeter. Right. Waves moves in the circles. Moves in circles, that also nothing but change in radius. Change in radius. So this is starting, and next starting like this one. So change some radius. Change in radius from here to here. How much per second speed of the wave radius means that implies change in radius. Change in radius dr by dt 5 centimeter per second. 5 centimeter per second. Next up, what you will find? Right. How fast is the enclosed area is increasing? So depend on this one. Area, how much area changes? Originally is 8 centimeter means what is the area? Suppose per second changes the radius, automatic that along with this radius area also change. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How much rate of change of area? So means how much rate of increase in area? That is, you will find dA by dt. dA by dt is question mark. Okay, right, same like that. What is the area of the circle? Same. Area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. Differentiate with respect to t. Next, dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square, pi constant, d by dt of r square. This implies pi into 2r into dr by dt. dr by dt. So that implies pi into 2 into r value 8 centimeter, dr by dt value 5. So this finally 8 pi is 40, 42, 80 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the okay. This is the fifth question. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. So before okay, 7. The length x of a rectangle x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. 5 centimeter per minute. And the width and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter 4 centimeter per minute 4 centimeter per minute. Full stop. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Come on. Find the rates. Find the rates of change. Find the rates of change. Find the, this is the rates of change. Find the rates of change of A, perimeter, and B, the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. What is given? This one. Okay. The length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the radius of and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rates of change of this. So this is the rectangle. Length is x, width is y. Length given how much? Length x, how much given? 8 centimeter. Y is equal to 6 centimeter. Y is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the rectangle. Width is equal to 6 centimeter and length is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Right. Length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of, means change in length, change in rate of change in length 5 centimeter per minute. Next, rate of change in width 4 centimeter per minute. But here is decreasing and here is increasing given. Length of x of a rectangle is decreasing. Rate of change in this also some change, but this is decreasing. This also in width also some change, but this is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute, decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and original values x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6 centimeters. Then find the rates of, means rate of change of perimeter and rate of change of area of the rectangle. So look here. Delta y is change in y. Delta y is change in y with corresponding small change delta x in x. Therefore, instantaneous rate of change limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y by delta x is nothing but dy by dx. This is f dash x. So, instant rate of change of the function is equal to the value of the derivative. Already discussed this concept. Okay, already explained this one. Okay, right here. Look. Suppose dy by dx is positive. Dy by dx is positive. If y is increase when x is increase Next, dy by dx is negative. Important point. This is negative when y is decrease, as when x is increase. So dy by dx is positive. In that case, y is increase, corresponding x is increase. Dy by dx is negative. In this case, y is decrease as x is increase when x is increase. So this is the important concept of this one. Right. So decrease means what? That value is negative. Increase means that value is positive. Decrease means that value is negative. Increase means the value is positive. Right. Given what is the length of the rectangle? Length of the rectangle. Given length of the rectangle, x is equal to 8 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle, y is equal to 6 centimeter. Length of the rectangle, x is equal to 8 centimeter. Width y is equal to 6 centimeter. Right. Change in x, that is nothing but dx by dt. Decreasing, change in decreasing. Okay, rate of decreasing in length in x with respect to time. That implies dx by dt is decreasing. Decreasing means negative value. Minus 5 centimeter per minute. Minus 5 centimeter per minute. Right. Rate of increasing in y means that is nothing but width. Given in this equation, y is width, x is length. Okay, how much? Increase in width. So increase in width is how much? 4 centimeter per minute. That implies dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. Increase means that value is positive. Decrease means that change in value is equal to minus value, negative value. Right. First case A. What is perimeter of the rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle. Formula: perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. 2 times of length plus breadth. That is okay. We want rate of change of perimeter. So that implies let it be perimeter. Let it be take P. Okay, that implies rate of change means you take derivative. This implies differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. That implies therefore dp by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 right outside. This is a constant x plus y. Therefore 2 times of dx by dt by algebraic laws, dx by dt dy by dt. Therefore 2 times of dx by dt value minus 5, dy by dt value plus 4. So finally 2 of minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 perimeter, centimeter per minute. So therefore, hence write rate of change of perimeter. Rate of change of perimeter. Rate of change of perimeter is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Minus 2 centimeter per minute. So this is the A bit. First of all, read question carefully. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. So decreasing means negative value, that is change in x. That implies dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. And next, and the width y is increasing. Increasing means positive value. Change in y, dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. Next, they ask find the rates of change of a perimeter. Therefore, first of all, write the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle P is equal to 2 times of x plus y. Differentiate with respect to 2. dp by dt is equal to 2 times of 2. Right outside constant. So finally, we got answer minus 2 centimeter per minute. Next, B bit. What is B bit? Rate of change of area of the rectangle. B bit, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle A is equal to x into y. Area of the rectangle A is equal to x into y. Here also rate of change will find. Differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, dA by dt. Here product rule apply. Product rule u bit d by dx of u bit du y into du by v into du by dx plus u into dv by dx. Like that, y into dx by dt plus x into dy by dt. Apply product rule. Understand? Otherwise, we have to write like this one. d by dt of xy. Product rule, that implies y of dx by dt plus x of dy by dt. Okay. Y into dx by dt value minus 5 plus x of dy by dt value. X means what is the y value and x value is also substitute. What is y value? Y value is equal to 6. X value. What is x value? X value is equal to 8 and dy by dt value 4. That implies this is minus 30 plus 32 is equal to 2 centimeter square. This is area. Centimeter square per minute given per minute. Therefore, rate of change of area of rate of change of area of rectangle is equal to 2 centimeter square per minute. So this is the 7%. Let's see next question. Okay. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical, on inflation, spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping. Inflation inflated by the pumping. Okay. In 900 cubic centimeters. This is nothing but denote cc. Cubic centimeters of gas per second. Per second, full stop. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. When the radius is 15 centimeter. So this is the problem. Okay. First to read the question. A balloon which always remains spherical. Okay, always remains spherical means this is nothing but the sphere. Always sphere. This is center. So always spherical means that one. Alright. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping. So after pumping, what? The balloon is increasing. The shape is increasing. How much increasing? Inflated by pumping, increasing is 9 cubic centimeter. 9 cubic centimeter of gas per second. 900 cubic centimeters per second. So by pumping the balloon, so means it fills the gas in that. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases. The question is asking what is the change in radius of the balloon. So pumping then what is the change per second? How much change per second? How much radius changes? When original radius is 5 centimeter, actual radius is 5 centimeters, but by pumping balloon is increasing that inflation. So then what is the change in radius? That you will find. So first of all, given radius of balloon means nothing but a sphere is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, right. Volume. What is volume? Volume of the sphere V is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, right. That is the sphere. Why means the balloon is shape of the sphere. Right. And given. So inflated by pumping means that volume. Change in volume. Given change in volume. Change in volume dV by dt. Change in volume dV by dt how much? 900 cc per second. 900 cc per second. What you find? You will find the change in radius dr by dt. You find dr by dt. This is the question mark. This is the question mark. Find dr by dt. Right. Okay. Volume of the sphere, right? So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we learn this all. Remember this all mensuration formulas. Remember all mensuration formulas. Very important. Mensuration formulas. V is equal to volume of the sphere. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time. Right. dV by dt. dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi constant. 4 by 3 pi constant, that implies d by dt of r cube. So dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into this is equal to 3r square. By chain rule, that value is equal to dr by dt. Variable derivative. dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi 3 r square into dr by dt. dV by dt already given. What is the dV by dt? 900 cc per second. So that you write here 900 4 by 3 into pi into 3 r value. What is r value? 15 square. So 15 into 15 into dr by dt. dr by dt. Okay. This 3 will cancel. Okay. Remaining terms dr by dt write one side. Remaining terms and this side. So here is multiplication. So take this side means divided by. Therefore 900 divided by 4 into pi into 15 into 15. Now cancellation. What is the cancellation? Okay. 5 table. Okay, this one 5 3s. 3 table. 3 5s. 300s. Again 3 table. 3 5s. 300s. Now 4 into 25. 5 into 5, 25. 25 cancel. Remaining value is 1 by pi. So change in radius centimeter per second. So finally write therefore hence change. They ask what find the rate at which the radius of the balloon. Therefore change in increase of radius. Change increase of radius is equal to 1 by pi centimeter per second. Change in means some change. Okay, how much change in radius is equal to 1 by centimeter per second. So this is the 8th problem. First of all, understand this question and what is given you write and what you find. Then next remember that formulas: sphere, cube, rectangle, cone. First of all, read these all formulas. Remember these formulas and understand this question and what they ask and what is given. So these problems are very easy. Whatever is the directive, right? No problem. Change in radius also. Okay. Change in radius. So that implies dr by dt. Change in radius. Change in radius. dr by dt. dr by dt is equal to 1 by centimeter per second. Okay, students, we'll continue next class, next session.